the rattle will develop into a squeak. Then it might switch back, at least that's what it did last time. That sounds nice. Oh. Before it was switching between the rattle and the squeak, back and forth. We may have gotten rid of it. It took almost 7-10 minutes of going on a chair, but things sound pretty good. I guess you gotta go ride it. Hopefully it doesn't come back. I was also able to hear it if I turned it off. Where am I? And just spun the tire. So it sounds a lot better now. Thank you very much. I think that may have worked. Awesome.